Brother, long before modern supplements, boosters, or synthetic enhancers existed, the people of the Arabian Peninsula relied on a natural formula, simple, powerful, and time tested: dates, milk, and honey. For centuries, this blend has been used by desert travelers, warriors, farmers, and families alike, not as a stimulant, but as a natural source of long lasting stamina, strength, and nourishment. Today, we explore this legendary combination through the lens of science to understand why it has supported human endurance for thousands of years. Dates are more than sweet fruit. They contain natural glucose and fructose, potassium and magnesium, fiber, antioxidant polyphenol. Dates provide quick energy, but because of their fiber content, they release that energy slowly and steadily, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. This makes dates a perfect energy source for men traveling long distances across the desert, and for modern men needing clean, stable fuel for work, training, or daily life. Milk provides slow digesting casein protein, healthy fats, calcium, the vitamins essential for energy metabolism. The protein and fat in milk help slow down digestion, creating a steady release of energy over time. In combination with dates, milk acts as a stabilizing force, turning quick energy into long-lasting endurance. Honey is rich in natural enzymes, minerals, antioxidants, compounds that support nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is crucial for blood vessel dilation, oxygen delivery, circulation, and overall vitality. Honey gives the blend a physiological spark, helping the body absorb nutrients efficiently and improving blood flow. Together, they form a triad of natural stamina, steady energy, strong blood flow, and full body nourishment. No chemicals, no artificial stimulants, just nature working the way it was designed. This was the fuel of the desert, the original endurance drink of Arabian culture.
Brother, now that we understand the ingredients, let's dive into how this ancient Arabian formula affects male stamina and vitality from a scientific perspective. There are three major systems impacted by this blend: the energy system, the circulatory system, and the hormonal and mood system. First, the energy system provides stable, balanced, and long-lasting power. Dates provide rapid fuel, milk offers slow-release protein and fats, and honey ensures quick absorption and enzymatic activity. Together, they create long-lasting endurance, reduced fatigue, stable blood sugar, mental clarity, and physical readiness. This blend is ideal for men who need steady strength throughout the day, not short bursts followed by crashes. Next, the circulatory system receives natural support through nitric oxide. Honey stimulates the body's production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Stronger circulation leads to better oxygen delivery, improved physical performance, enhanced sensitivity, warmer body temperature, and more efficient nutrient transport. In Arabian tradition, this is why the blend is considered supportive of male vitality, because healthy blood flow is essential for stamina, focus, and performance. Finally, the hormonal and mood system benefits from calm energy and mental balance. Dates provide minerals that calm the nervous system, milk contains amino acids that support mental relaxation, and honey fuels the brain with natural glucose. Physiologically, this can lead to reduced stress, improved emotional stability, better mood, clearer thinking, and greater readiness for activity. A calm, nourished mind creates a more responsive body. The traditional method is simple: soak 5 to 7 dates, add warm milk, and mix with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Consumed either in the morning for energy or in the evening for recovery and nourishment. This Arabian stamina blend works not because of magic, but because it aligns perfectly with human physiology. It provides quick fuel, sustained energy, blood flow support, mental clarity, and balanced nutrition. A natural formula for natural strength.